you doing? You're washing your tractor?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you getting them good and clean? There's some water in the loader, huh? Where'd that water from the loader bucket come from? Did it rain today? Did it rain? Oh!
Yeah.
Are you racing? Whoa! Uh-oh. Who's that? Who just came outside? Hey, Matthew, what's his name? Wheel? What color's that tractor, Matthew? What color is it?
Yeah.
What color?